And today I'm going to tell you more about how you can automate your GitHub workflow with robots. GitHub have one of the best API, I think one of the best out there. So there's things like GitHub applications. You can name some of them like Greenkeeper, Sentry, ZenHub, Travis CI, Cutco, Style CI, whatever. There's a lot of them. You can check them out on github.com/marketplace. What is important is that GitHub applications are first-class actors within GitHub. That means that they can do almost anything that regular users do, which means that they can comment under issues, open new PRs, change files, create commits, and so on. And what is important is that they work with granular permission and building webhooks. However, it's too complicated. Validating and receiving webhooks might be an overkill if you want, for example, build a simple application that will greet you, your new contributors to your repository. And people from GitHub understood this problem, and they want to simplify the process of creating new robots. So they built a nice framework with such a nice logo, and you can check it out on probot.github.io. So the name is Probot, and what is Probot? Probot is a framework for creating robots with Node.js, and it takes care of receiving and validating webhooks. So actually, it takes out of the scene of all of this complicating logic and let you concentrate on building something that you have in your mind. So actually, it opens an ability to script GitHubs. Like, you can watch for changes, receive some meta information, analyze it, and trigger an action in response. How it works? Actually, Probot is an Express application under the hood that deals with GitHub API. So let's take a look how, on a simple example of super tiny gentle bot that will greet everyone who opens a new issues. As scaffold new robot, you can do this with npx create Probot app, exactly like you do with create React app if you are a React developer. And in index.js file, you should export a function that takes robot as a parameter. So in this function, you can put all of this logic that you want to build. So for example, we are subscribing for opening every issue and then pass a handler. This handler is asynchronous and it takes a context. Context contains some meta information about event that just happened. So we check if we retrieve body from issue, and then we check if body includes things, we answer you're welcome. Otherwise, we answer thanks. Then we create new command in this context of this issue and publish it with context.github.issue create command. And people actually use Probots. They automate them their daily work and save them a lot of time. For example, the most popular one is a Probot stale. The stale bot closes issue after some period of inactivity, like no one comments under this issue, it's not relevant anymore, so we close it. Another example is welcome bot that greet every new contributor to your repository. Like if a user open an issue or pull request for the first time to your application, this bot would greet them. Also, if their pull request will be merged, this bot will publish congratulations to this new contributor. Another example is settings bot. This bot allows you to keep your repository setting inside of your repo, inside a settings YAML file in a GitHub folder. And this opens an ability to for your contributors to make a pull request to the settings of your repository. And even more, actually, you can move issues between different repositories auto-label them, get reach CI reports, log threads, require updating docs, sync forks between fork and upstream, and more. You can check out more awesome bots on probot.github.io/apps. And what I wanted to do with this talk is to encourage you to try this framework to build your own bots. Like, this is an amazing idea. Give it a chance. Try it. This could save you a ton of your time. This can automatically handle your routine tasks. So I hope after this talk, we will see more useful probots. And some of them are going to build by you. Thank you.